Hey.
Oh, Alyssa, I got a great one. Your mouth was like open. It was so weird.
Gross. Guys, I'm recording.
Oh.
Alyssa, do your bottom teeth on your top lip.
Somebody stop me. Do you know the Muffin Man?
Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man!
Yes, I know the Muffin Man.
Who lives on, what, Jory?
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
What's her name?
That wasn't part of it.
Can we beat on my head?